Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle.
I want to ride my
Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle.
I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike.
The biomechanics of cycling specifically looks at the interaction between the body and the bicycle itself. While there are several complex variables, we are mainly interested in seat height. When evaluating power output during cycling, we are specifically looking at the rate of work being completed. The equation to evaluate this rate of work is force times velocity, and the units are watts. Now let's examine what power output looks like in the real world of sports. When examining optimal seat height, it is important to understand that whatever affects the hip also affects the knee. Any variation in seat height will alter both the minimum and the maximum angles at the knee and ankle joint. It has been well documented that muscle activation and muscle fiber length are closely linked. It is therefore important that any seat height help maintain proper length and tension relationships between the above-mentioned muscles. While there are many methods to measure proper seat height, the most commonly used methods are the Greater Trochanter method, the os pubis method, and the knee angle method. The measurement for the Greater Trochanter height is taken from the base of the foot all the way up the leg to the Greater Trochanter. 109% of the Greater Trochanter measurement is then used to determine the length between the base of the pedal and the top of the seat of the bicycle. The os pubis measurement, also known as the inseam measurement, is taken from the top of the inside of the leg down to the bottom of the foot. The final method for measuring seat height is the knee angle seat height. This measurement is taken when the leg is fully extended and the foot is at the bottom of the pedal stroke. The ideal measurement is between 135 and 155 degrees.
Okay, so put your foot at 6 o'clock, then bottom of the pedal stroke. Over on this side. We'll go here. Yeah, so we want this to be like 155. And right now it's 148. So yeah, it's two. I can tell by looking at it, but we also have the numbers. All right?
This graph from a study done by Verins et al. Clearly demonstrates that maximum power output is achieved when seat height is approximately 109%. While several research studies have confirmed that maximum power output is achieved at approximately 109% of Greater Trochanter height, it is also important to understand that if the rider is uncomfortable on the bike, power output will likely be reduced.
Jump,